My favorite honey.
You want me to paint your nails?
My sorry.
With this?
Is this sparkles?
Sparkles.
Sparkles.
Okay, let me see your fingers. Put your hand right here.
I got big nails.
Do you have pretty nails? Okay, let me see this one.
What's this?
Who is that?
I'm scaring my big nails.
Carolyn getting her pretty nails.
Ah. I got peanut in my nose.
You got your nail on your nose.
It's yucky.
Are you silly or what?
I got peanuts.
We're not done yet.
I got peanuts. What's this?
Oh, so pretty, huh?
The peanuts.
Are there pretty fingernails over there?
I got peanuts.
Let it dry.
I got the peanuts. I got chocolate.
Did you bite? Did you hurt your lip?
I'm gonna beat my lip. I
Yeah.
fall down.
You did fall down, didn't you? Let me see.
I'm gonna fall into special.
You did fall in the bed. Does it
I'm
hurt?
gonna fall body. Yeah. That grows. I'm fall down.
Maxwell made you fall down?
Oh, what's this? What's this? I don't see it.
Are you a squirrel? Your nails? You gotta let your nails dry.
Okay.